Hello, this is a quick reminder to make sure that you approve all progress reports. If you try to do it from this page right here where you see approve, it's only going to let you approve progress reports where you have students enrolled, but we want to make sure that you have all of your progress reports approved for each section. So what you're going to do from your course hub, go to communication. And each group that you click on here, you can select. I've already done the ones where I don't have students in them, but so you won't see the page that I see here. But you'll go through every single section here, select, select, select. You'll change the dates and approve. And it will look like this when you open up each of your sections here. You'll have the dates listed, and then you'll edit the date that needs to be edited. And then you'll approve the dates. So that will allow you, if you go through the communication portal, to allow you to go through all of the sections, even sections you don't have students enrolled in. So make sure that you approve progress reports for each section, even the students where there are no enrollments currently.